Meaning of dining room.
Dining room.
Dining room.
Dining room.
Dining room. A dining room is a designated space within a house or apartment where people gather to dine and share meals. This area typically contains a table and chairs for seating, as well as other furniture such as cabinets or sideboards for storage or display purposes. The dining room is meant to be a space designed specifically for eating and conversation, separate from other areas of the home like the living room or kitchen. It is often considered a formal space for entertaining guests, but can also be used for casual family meals.